Hello everyone, C5 Scott here. Welcome back to the garage for another episode. Today we're going to talk about hood adjustments. The Corvette has got some interesting issues going on with the hood that I want to take care of, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So let's get into it. Okay, so here's what I am talking about on this car. It's kind of hard to see from this angle, but there's this actually looks good here, but as it comes back this direction, it starts to drop just a little bit underneath the fender. And so I want to work on trying to get this to come up. And then also on this side over here, it actually is down a little bit. You can kind of see there's probably, I don't know, maybe an eighth of an inch, maybe almost a quarter there that it's underneath the front. And this part's fine, and then it comes all the way again over here, and then it's probably even worse than the other side. And then when you look up this way, you can really see how out of adjustment that is right in there. You can really tell there's a drop. So, all right, so here we are, we've got the hood up. And this really is a simple and easy adjustment. I thought it was going to be more difficult, but it wasn't. These stops right here, you have two of them in the front and you have two of them in the back of the hood, basically located right next to the headlights on each side. These are the hood stops. You can raise and lower these hood stops to adjust the flushness of the hood to align with the body. My car had the hood was dropped a little bit, and it had pretty big gaps all the way around. So what I did is I just was able to raise these up, and it's very simple. With a 13 millimeter wrench, literally just unscrew the nut that kind of holds it in place, and then all you have to do is screw the stop up or screw the stop down, whichever way works best for you to adjust your hood out. And it really truly is that easy. I actually ran it up and I had to adjust it a couple of times, but I put it in there and it works perfect. So you get it where you want it, and I just hand tightened the nut at the bottom. I did all my checking. I got them exactly where I wanted, and after I had it where I wanted it, I just came in and I tightened down the nut, and the stop stays in place, and it truly is that simple.